This is a used 2008 Ford Mustang, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power convertible top, digital audio input, a premium sound system, alloy rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Roundtree Moore Ford Lincoln Mercury is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2588 West US Highway 90, Lake City, Florida 32055.